Hello everyone, my name is Chuck Goodrich, President and CEO of Gaylor Electric, an Indiana State representative. Today we celebrate the grand opening of the Manhattan Mechanical Services facility in East Chicago. From groundbreaking to completion, this project took vision and dedication. This is truly an awesome celebration for everyone involved. Another reason for the celebration is Manhattan Mechanical's impressive safety record of 0 lost time injuries since their inception. Congratulations to all of the hardworking individuals who were involved with this project and continues to hold safety to the highest standard. On behalf of the Indiana-Kentucky ABC chapter, as chairman, I extend my congratulations to everyone at Manhattan Mechanical Services. Stay safe and take care of one another.
Hi, my name is Amanda Konopka, and I'm the Executive Director for the Chicagoland Muscular Dystrophy Association. We are so proud to have partnered with Manhattan Mechanical over the past decade. During that time, they've raised over $300,000 in support of our mission, and we are so thankful. We are also really excited for you guys with your new facility. We congratulate you on it, and we can't wait to see all of the great things that come from your new facility and your new employees. So from everyone here at MDA, congratulations and good luck.
Hello, my name is Boyd Worsham, and I am the President and CEO of NCCER. And today I have the distinct pleasure of representing NCCER in congratulating Manhattan Mechanical Services on their new home. We moved into our new facility in Alachua, Florida about 9 years ago, so we understand the milestone and the history-making opportunity and event it is to move into a new headquarters. So from NCCER to Manhattan Mechanical, congratulations on that milestone. We at NCCER truly hope we've helped with that growth, and we truly appreciate your support of NCCER and your delivery of our materials and our workforce development system to your craft workforce.
Hello, my name is Pat McGrath. I represent Black Industrial and Safety Supply Inc. in Hammond, Indiana. My current title here at Black Industrial is Sales and Operations Manager. I am also the account manager for Manhattan Mechanical. I have been at Black for 44 years, and Black has been in business in the region for over 127 years now. We have had the pleasure of having Manhattan Mechanical as a customer since the days of BP's Whiting Modernization Project, or WRMP, over a decade ago. Through all those years, we have had the privilege of working with many outstanding professional people from Manhattan Mechanical at our store in Hammond, on job sites, and at your main offices in Illinois. We sincerely appreciate the opportunity to be a valued supplier partner to you. We thank you for your business and your continued support. We look forward to continuing to build on our mutually beneficial business relationship as you expand your physical footprint into Northwest Indiana. Finally, from our team to yours, we congratulate you on your continued professional successes and especially on the grand opening of your East Chicago Fab Shop and Training Center. Welcome to Northwest Indiana. Cheers and best wishes to all.
Good morning. I'm Mike Uremovich, the president of Manhattan Mechanical Services. I want to personally welcome you to our ribbon cutting and grand opening event for our new facility in East Chicago, Indiana. We hope you enjoy your day that you're going to spend with us.